Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. My name is Lisa and this is Our Life on a Dime, and today I am on my way inside the Dollar Tree. We're going to pick up a few things and I want to see if I can find any new items, so stay tuned. Check out some wrapping paper. See if I can find any for my books. Doing a blind date with a book. I'm going to see if I can find any good patterns. I want to do some Christmas ones.
No, yo no lo he puesto, no sabía si ponerlo o no.
Ella fue y lo compró en los chinos en la 74 en Miami. Si hay cantidad de cositas baratas ahí, de una pila espiga. They look pretty cool. You can put the fruit in them.
Just checking to see if they have any new ones, new books. I need a needle and thread because a button, we have to replace a button. Let me see if I can get a kit. If not, I'll just see if I can that. Alright guys, I'm gonna I'm going to check back with you in a few minutes. Pop-Tarts are $3 here, guys. I think they're cheaper at Publix. That's crazy. Dollar Tree has gotten a little crazy with their pricing, that's for sure. Alrighty friends, so I just got back from the Dollar Tree and we got some stuff that I needed for some of the projects that I'm working on, and I will kind of explain it as we're going along. But we did get a couple of things. One of the things that I went in there for was Werther's, like the Werther's candy. I saw that they have gingerbread flavor, and I was like, oh, that would be perfect for one of the projects that I'm working on for my movie, my cozy movie packs or whatever, to put those in there, and they didn't have any, so I guess I'm gonna have to check back another time. But anyways, let me get started here. How's everybody doing today? Hope everybody's doing good. Trying to be productive today. I'm getting quite a bit done, and it always feels good when you get things accomplished, right? All right, guys. So this here is wrapping paper. They were $1.50, and I got these for my blind date with a book. I'm going to wrap the books in wrapping paper. I hope this one's going to be okay. It's kind of got a large print on it. And then I'm going to decorate it for the mystery blind date with a book for Christmas. I'm going to do a bunch of them. I'm hoping to do about 20 of them because the books are selling pretty good with the brown craft paper for like the everyday ones. So I think the Christmas ones will do really well, you know. And it's got some pretty nice patterns on there. And then this one here. They were $1. I think they were $1.50. We got some storage bags. Can never have enough storage bags. Got some Q-tips. I was running out of Q-tips. This I got because I think I told you guys this before, that you know, our Dollar Tree, it seems like they're out of stock of a lot of stuff that, you know, yeah, our Dollar Tree, it seems like it's hit or miss. If you go in there one time they'll have it, next minute, you know, next time they won't. And one time I needed this and went in there and they didn't have any, so now I make sure I keep it on hand. This is the triple antibiotic ointment. These here are bags. I bought 3 bags of the shredded paper, and these are going to be for my Christmas movie packs that I'm making. At the end of the video, at the end of this video, I'll go ahead and show you guys what I have made up so far, and you guys can let me know what you think. I'm sure you guys have seen them. I actually saw this idea on YouTube. They make these and they sell them at craft fairs, and so I figured I would make about 20 of these bags and put them at the store next to my books that I'm selling. So, and then I'll sell some maybe on Etsy or something. But they're a really cute idea. These are really good. Have you ever tried these? These are the Sour Patch, the watermelon. So I got one for me and one for hubby. And then these are also really good, the tropical Swedish fish. I did actually find sewing kits. Hubby lost his button on his pants, so I'm going to go ahead and sew him back on a button. And I got these. I had originally picked out the peppermints, the red and white candies, the hard candies, when I went to Walmart, but then I thought, oh, you know, because I needed more filler for the bag, so I picked out the cinnamon hard candies to go in there. And then the last thing I got was the Arizona green tea with ginseng and honey. I tried to get the green tea at Walmart and they only had diet, so Got two, they're pretty big bottles. Look how big these are. They were $1.25, so I felt like that was a really fair price. I'll go ahead and show you my receipt. And I spent $26.54, so that's pretty good. So it came to $25, and then with tax, $26.54. Oh, you know what I'm missing? Okay, what I was missing was I bought 3 of the big poster sheets of the colored paper,